Hi, Dale Coffing here to introduce the first two of the Ultimate range by iMate. They're great devices. They both run Windows Mobile 6 Professional by Microsoft. It's the 6150, which is your traditional form factor of the Pocket PC Phone Edition type models. And then this one, the 8150. It has a 9 keypad integrated into it, including a little 4-way joystick that allows its unique capability for operating the device, as well as giving you the capability for T9 input. It's pretty unique on a device that's a touchscreen interface as well as your T9 on top of the keypad itself. Let's go over some of the other specifications for the Ultimate range model here. They include a 520 megahertz X-Scale processor. We have an NVIDIA chip in there, a GPU that really helps accentuate the videos that look so beautiful on the screen. And speaking of the screen, it's a VGA resolution screen. That's right, VGA, 640 by 480 resolution on top of my handheld. Doesn't stop there. The Ultimate specifications continue with 256 megabytes of ROM. That's right, 256 and 128 megabytes of RAM. Now these are 3G devices, so they have HSDPA compatibility in the specifications, so it's high-speed data interface on it. And then there's an FM radio that's integrated into the devices. So when you plug in your stereo headset, that acts as a way to help the reception for the FM radio. And here's the feature that I really think takes us above the top. It's an XGA output. That's right. I can actually plug in a cable and provide true XGA output to drive a projector or even a large plasma screen. XGA is 1024 pixels by 768. And then we continue with the Ultimate specifications. It comes with a 2 megapixel camera on the back that has auto-focusing capability. It's got a 4x digital zoom. And then finally, what I like to talk about is the idea of a little jog dial on the back for one-handed operations, where you can come up and down with that OK button. The Ultimate range by iMate. The first two that have just been released, the 6150 and the 8150. Well, let me talk about one of the unique features in the Ultimate range of devices by iMate that really sets it a world apart for the mobile professional. That's direct XGA output. That's correct. XGA on my Windows mobile device by iMate. That's 1024 by 768 pixel resolution, just like my desktop is on my screen. Now the way that happens is you take the cable that comes included in the box, you'll plug it into the port, and then out of that port has the XGA standard VGA type pin as well as the audio, so you can also transmit the audio out. Let's show you what that resolution screen looks like between a normal VGA screen that I have on my Windows mobile device here by iMate, as well as the XGA output. So here it is, XGA output on my Ultimate device by iMate. I've connected in the accessory cable that shows here on the side, and here it is, a full screen from the Windows mobile home screen, the Today screen on the iMate. Let's see what that kind of resolution gives me. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull up over here on the Start side, and let's open up the standard Office mobile application, Excel Mobile, and check out what it looks like in XGA. So this gives you an example how many columns I can actually get across my device and be able to show on a presentation or even a projector screen. Imagine what that would look like if I was using PowerPoint even on top of the device. Lots of capabilities using XGA output. What I'd like to do is demonstrate for you, using the Ultimate device by iMate, a unique feature. It's the XGA out capability of the device. And the way I'll do that is a scenario of being able to use it using some Bluetooth connectivity. Of course, it comes with Bluetooth, and what you're seeing below me here is a standard portable keyboard that's Bluetooth capable as well as a Bluetooth mouse. And it's now being controlled, as you can see from the screen, by these two devices. Now what I'd like to do is demonstrate the XGA. And the way I'll do that is I'll take your device and go ahead and plug in the XGA cable that comes with it. So by simply plugging it in, what you'll notice now is it automatically runs the external display software so that I can switch the display from the Ultimate device and switch it on over into my plasma screen. So I will then select the output to be applied, and you'll watch behind me as the screen is now going to be enabled. And there it is. So this is a typical one. Now, of course, I'm doing this on an LCD display, but you could also be doing it, whether it be in a large projector for a big room, and you can see all the applications are going to be available to me within the device. So I'm using both the keyboard and the mouse as one. on XGA. That's 1024 by 768 pixels. Now, isn't that impressive? Using my ultimate device that already has a VGA screen and now displaying it remotely onto a large plasma like you see before in XGA. Think of the possibilities, the ultimate possibilities.